Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to see the last collection category data type called set. So what is set? So set is an ordered collection of element with mutable nature and no duplicate elements are allowed. Then we are going to see how we can create a set in Python. So using curly brackets and comma separated values, we can create a set. And when we check the type of the object, and we can clearly see the class of that variable is set. We can create a set of having multiple types of data in it. So we can create a string element also, and here we can see the string element is allowed, but it is not recommended to use mixed data type in set. So when we perform any mathematical operation on set, so that mathematical operation cannot perform on this string. That's why it is preferred to not use any other data type rather than integer float. While initializing the set, I am passing 1, 2, 4, 3 and 5, but when the set is created, it automatically ordered that set into a ascending order. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here all the duplicate elements are automatically removed when we create a set. So let's say I am adding one more element of 5, and when I run this, we can see that particular element not added in the set because so by default set removes the duplicate entries. Then we are going to see functions associated with set. So the first function is all, which is used to check whether the all elements of this set are true and non-empty. If the element is empty, then it returns true. If 0, then false. The second function is any. It checks whether any element of the set is true or false. So if empty, then it will return false. And here you can see we don't have any element of false or empty, that's why it returns true. Then we have enumerate function, which is used to return the index associated with the element of a set. Here you can see if you print just enumerate and pass the set, it gives you the object of a type enumerate. But when we convert that object into list, we can get the index associated with those elements. Here you can see by default it starts from 0, and you can specify by putting comma, and then you can specify that number, and then it starts from that number. Then we have a len function, which is used to calculate the total number of elements present in the set. Then we have max and min function, which is used to calculate the maximum and minimum value present in the set respectively. Then we have sorted function, which is used to sort the set and give the list as a return. We already saw whenever we initializing the set, it automatically sort in the ascending order. But if you want a list of that set, then we can use this sorted. And here you can see first it returns set when it is initialized, but when we use sorted, it gives you a list. Then at the last, we can use sum function to calculate the total sum of a set. And here you can see the total sum is 15. So these are all the functions associated with a set. Then at the last, we are going to see methods associated with set. So the first method is add, which is used to add a new element, and you can see the 6th element is added. Then we have a clear method, which is used to clear all elements present in the set. So here you can see the result is an empty set, and this is the syntax. Then we have a copy method, which is used to copy the content of the set and create a new memory location, and this is the syntax. Then we have difference method, which is used to give the difference between two sets. For example, we have x and y set, so whatever the element present in x and not present in y, we call them as a difference, and it will give you that result. So for example, here you can see 1 is present in y, 2 is also present in y, but 3 is not present in 4, that's why it is called difference, and we can get 3 as a result. Then we have a difference update. It works same as a difference, but whatever first set we are passing, it automatically changes that, so we don't need to specify a new variable to see the change. Here we can see when we use difference update, so this all changes is done in this x without specifying x is equal to, and here we can see the same result. We are checking 1, it is also present in y. We are checking 2, which is also present in y. We are checking 3, which is not present in y, so it is called difference. And we are also checking 6, which is also not present in y, and we are calling it a difference, and we can see the result 3 and 6. Then we have a discard method, which is used to remove the element from the set. So we need to pass a key, and whenever we found that key or the element, it is removed from the set. Then we have intersection method, which is used to give the common elements. Then we have intersection update, which is similar to we just saw difference update. And here you can see 2 is the common element. So now x is holding 2 value. Then we have a is disjoint method, which is used to see whether two sets are same or different. And here you can see x and y are completely different. That's why it is returning disjoint. Yes, it is true. Then we have a is subset to check whether any set is a subset of another set. Here we can clearly see 1, 2, 3 are a part of y set also. That's why x is the subset of y, and it is giving you true value. Then we have a is superset method, which is used to check whether any set is a superset of another set. Here we can clearly see 3, 5 and 7 are part of x set. So x now here is a superset of y, and here you can see the result is true. Then we have pop method, which is used to remove the last element from the set. And here we can see the 0, which is the last element removed from the set. Then we have a remove method, which is used to remove any particular element present in the set. So when I say 3, so the third element is removed. Then we have a symmetric difference, which is used to return the elements which are not present either in x and y set. So here you can see x and y, we have two set, and we got the result 1 and 4 because this 1 and 4 are not present in both the set. That's why it is giving us a result 1 and 4, and you can see 2 and 3 are present in both sets. That's why it is skipped and 1 and 4 are displayed. Then we have symmetric difference update, which is exactly same as a difference update. The result is updated in the first set. Then we have a union method, which is combine two sets and remove the duplicates. If you see here, it combine the two sets 1, 2, 3, 4. At the last we have update method, which is similar to union, but here the result is updated in the first set. So now the result is updated in x. When you print the x, we can see the result of union, which is exactly same. So these are all methods present in set. Thank you very much.